In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Ctrader. By the end, you'll have Ctrader installed on your Windows computer and be ready to log in and start exploring the platform. I'll keep things simple, explain what to look out for, and share a few tips to avoid common snags. First, open your preferred web browser. Chrome, Edge, or Firefox all work fine. Make sure your internet connection is stable so the download completes without interruption. If you use a VPN or strict firewall, you may want to temporarily relax it during the download to prevent blocked connections. Next, head to the official Ctrader website or Ctrader store. You can search for Ctrader store in your browser, then choose the official result with a secure connection icon in the address bar. Avoid third-party download sites to ensure you're getting the authentic installer. Once you're on the site, navigate to the Ctrader section. Look for a tab or menu item labeled Ctrader or Ctrader Desktop. This takes you to the product page where the official download links are provided, along with details about features and system requirements. Now choose the Windows download. Click Download for Windows to get the installer. Most modern systems will use the 64-bit version automatically. Your browser will begin downloading a .exe file. If you're prompted to confirm or keep the file, approve it. Note where the file is saved, usually your Downloads folder, so you can find it easily. When the download finishes, run the installer. Double-click the file, then allow it to make changes if Windows prompts you. Follow the on-screen instructions. Accept the license agreement, choose an installation location if you prefer something other than the default, and optionally create a desktop shortcut. The installation process should only take a minute or two. When it's done, select Finish to launch the app or close and open it later from your Start menu or desktop. Finally, open Ctrader and log in. Use your Ctrader ID credentials to sign in. If you're new, you can create an account directly from the login window and then sign in. After logging in, you'll be able to connect to your broker, switch between live and demo environments if available, and customize your workspace. If Ctrader offers a quick tour on first launch, it's worth taking a minute to go through it so you can get familiar with panels, chart controls, and layout options. That's it. Browser, official site, Ctrader tab, Windows download, install, and log in. You're ready to start exploring Ctrader.